के पसीना तू पिछे छड्ड आई सलीना करीना के तेरे पिछे आउंदे होया महीना तू नागां दी बच्ची ए काबू नहीं आउंदी ते बन के सफेरा वजाउंदा मैं भी नाल केड़े खेत विच लगी केड़ी कणक दा नी तू आटा छकदी ऐ.
Hey everyone, so here is the tutorial for the song Kaka Shape. I have choreographed it my way. Hope you guys like it. If you do like it, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So the step 1, I'll teach you the legs. Legs are 1, 2. And the step would look like with and hands are 1, 2. 1, 2. These are first two steps. Next 2 counts are 3, 4. Again I'll do it. 3, 4. The 4 counts together would look like 1, 2, 3, 4. The next 6 counts are, we ended here. From here we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 10 counts up till now will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the first part of the dance. Now, so part 2 is 8 steps and then kind of 4 or 6 counts. Let's go with the first 8. So we ended here, and the step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Again, I'll do. The step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And part 3 is, once you end here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the whole dance. And on counts, the whole dance would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.